Behavior as communication. I just spoke with a colleague about this a few minutes ago, and we were having a conversation about how all behavior is communication. Whatever happens, it's communication. And just today, I was in a class and I was walking around, and there was a student, and they were sequencing numbers 1 through 20, and the student was kind of on 3 and looked like they were talking to their friend, and they weren't really engaged and weren't really focused. And I wanted to say, you need to focus on your work. And then I was like, and I stopped myself and I thought, okay, think about behavior as communication. And I thought, what is this behavior communicating to me? Maybe we're off task, but not because we're trying to be off task. Maybe we don't know what we're doing. So I took a step back and I said, okay, do you need any help? And I think that change and my chance to take a step back, the kid was like, yeah. So, oh, okay, what number do you think comes next? And they're like, oh, I'm not sure. So then I got a choice of 2 numbers and held them up. And I said, do you think it's 7 or do you think it's 14? And they're like, 7. I'm like, nice. So then they put it in the sequence of 1 to 20. So just an example of how we often see these behaviors and we want to curb the behaviors and we want to stop the behaviors and we want the behaviors to not happen. But frequently, it's the behaviors that get our attention, the rocking on the chair, the snapping of pencils, the destroying of erasers, all of the behaviors which we see as problematic and as drawing others' attention away. It should be a sign and a signal for us. It should be a sign where instead of us going, you need to stop doing that, we need to rethink it and say, okay, what is this behavior telling me? Oh, the kid is probably unfocused. Brain break. Or, I can see that they're getting antsy and they're more interested in talking to their friend. Maybe they don't understand. As opposed to just taking like a firefighting approach and just kind of saying like, oh, we're seeing this behavior, let's put that out. We're seeing this behavior, let's put that out. Another way of doing it is saying, oh, I see this behavior, hey, you're right. And checking in with the kid and kind of seeing where they're coming from. So all behavior is communication.